In this video, I'll show you one of the top, best and most requested videos how to access TradingView premium features for free. As you can see, I'm utilizing a function that is only available on upgraded accounts, TradingView Premium. This is the ability to display numerous charts on a single screen and also ability to use the TradingView replay bar tool. As you can see, I currently have 4 separate charts on my screen. This is GBP/USD on a daily basis, GBP/USD on a 4-hour basis, GBP/USD on a 1-hour basis, and GBP/USD on a 15-minute basis. And I must notify you that this account has not been updated. If I go into the same account where I didn't use this technique, since this is a trick I'm employing here, I'll start with the account where I didn't use it. On this account, if I want to utilize the function of having numerous charts on one screen, I may do so by clicking here, which is select layout, where I will get a variety of alternatives. The one I use, which displays 4 charts on a single screen, is here. When I click on it, you can see that it prompts me to upgrade my account. To upgrade, select upgrade, and then you can see how much it will cost to get this function, which is $59.95. If you wish to become pro, you will pay $29.95 each month. That is the price you will pay to have access to many charts on the same screen. But in this video, I'll show you how you can do it for free. We will not pay for this. As you can see from my screen, I'm going to teach you how to do it for free. Having said that, let's go right into the video where I'll show you how you can access this functionality for free without spending any money. First, open your browser and search for TradingView. Then, locate tradingview.com and click on it as shown below to get to their main page. Make sure the URL is tradingview.com and there should be a lock symbol to indicate that you are on the correct website. Next, click Get Started in the upper right corner of the screen. You may now view the advantages of each plan listed below. Next, choose Try Free for 30 days from the premium plan. From here, click Sign Up at the bottom of the page and then choose one of the sign up choices. I'll simply pick email since I'm thinking that's what the majority of you will do. Simply enter your email and create a password. I'll do that and get right back. Okay, so once you've done that, you must check here to indicate that you have read the terms of service and then finish the I'm not a robot verification by ticking this box and solving the problem. But in this situation, I wasn't asked to solve a riddle. Next, select Create Account. Now, as you can see, it states your account is not yet operational. Please validate your email. So go to the inbox of the email address you used to sign up and open the TradingView email that was delivered to you. The email should look like this. And you only need to click on Activate Account. So click that. You will then be led to this page where you must input your first and second names and choose whether you wish to opt in or out of their marketing communications. Okay, so after you've completed this, you may upload your account picture here, but you don't have to, and it's not required. Anyway, click the Continue button at the bottom. As you can see, we're back here, but this time we're logged in, as seen in the upper right. So from here, pick the premium plan again, but this time make sure that monthly is the first option. Scroll down and choose Try Free for 30 days under the premium plan. You may now add either a credit card or a PayPal account. You must do this to get something for free. As you can see, you will not be invoiced until the day shown above, which is 30 days from now, and you may stop auto-renewal before this date to avoid being charged at all. So I'll do this and get right back. Okay, I'm going with PayPal and I entered my information. Simply check this box below to confirm that you have read and accepted to the TradingView terms of service. Then, if you're using PayPal, click the PayPal button on the sidebar and complete the payment procedure. Okay, so after you've completed the payment procedure, you should be sent to this page. As you can see, your 30-day free trial has begun. Remember, if you do not want to be charged at the conclusion of the 30 days, switch off auto-renewal before the date indicates it is due. Anyway, to build your first chart, just click Start Charting. So that's how you receive a free trial of TradingView Premium. If you found this video informative, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more instructions like this. And if you have any additional questions, please post them in the comment section below, and I'm sure I can assist. Anyway, be careful. Bye-bye.